want Excel to automatically give answers instead of you typing them again and again. In the next few minutes, you will learn the formula that makes Excel work smartly for you. Welcome back to VSDL Excel Pro. This is part 4 of Excel Basics for Beginners. I am Vijay Kumar, and here we learn Excel clearly, practically, and step by step. In previous video, we created smart Excel documents where one data change updates everything automatically. Today you will learn the if formula, one of the most powerful tools in Excel for making automatic decisions. Today we made one format to understand the if formula. This is the test report. Here the part number, you can take anything. 3. The part description ABC. So here this says the parameter, the specifications. This UAM is the unit of measure, and this is actual and status. In this report, we update the data in the actual values. May 70.14, 0.04, height 14.95, angle 44.5, and diameter 14.95. So this is actual values. In this report, whether the part is okay or not, one by one you have to check with the specifications. The 75.14 means with specification, okay, this is okay. Next is with parameter, this also okay. Like that, each parameter value you have to verify with the specifications. It will take time. Sometimes it may take wrong decisions also. To avoid that, the Excel itself, we can make it the decisions. For the decisions, we have to use the if formula. So before make the if, we should make the values as mentioned in the specifications by minimum and maximums. So here the maximum value 70.15. Here we can make it maximum and minimum. This is required for us to make the if formula, and minimum 70 minus 0.15. 69.85 is a minimum. Similarly for width, 15 plus 0.1, 15.1, minimum 15 minus 0.1, 14.9. For height, 50 is a maximum because here is given only minus tolerance. So to make 15 is the maximum, and minimum 15 minus 0.1 for 14.9. For angle, 45 plus or minus 1. So use 45 plus 1, 46, 45 minus 1, 44. Then diameter 15 plus 0.02, and minimum 15 minus 0.02. So 14.98. So now we know the maximum minimum value of specifications. So now we are making the formula in the status column in F4. So this is the F4 column, and this is the F5 column. How we say this is F4, F5? This is the column of F, and this is the row of 4. So this is F4. You should know first F4. This is F4, F5, F6, F7, and F8. For making formula, this will be helpful for you. Just I'm deleting. I'm making the formula. Press equal in F4. Type if, then open bracket, select E4. Let us select the E4. We enter the conditions below 69.85. So that should be rejected. The decision should repeated here in F4 should be rejected. Enter the comma without space. Again enter if, open bracket, enter E4. E4 means the data in the E4 lesser than, and again enter equal. Enter the maximum value 70.15. Now put comma, double quote, enter the values, accepted. accepted, double quote again, comma, double quote, the rework, double quote. Now you have to close the brackets. One bracket, we already opened two brackets, so the number of brackets you should clearly mentioned. So here one bracket open, here one bracket open, so here the closing should be two brackets. How many bracket open, the number of brackets should be in the closing, you should, then only the formula will work. Now just I'm entering, you can see it shows the accepted. So again I'm double clicking, just I'm explaining. So what I made here, I made if formula e4 with respect to the e4 column, respect to the e4 column, values below 69.85, because here 70 plus or minus 0.15, the minimum is 69.85, maximum is 70.15. So if below 69.85, it should be mentioned, it should be reflect in F4 as rejected. Similarly, if within 70.15 or, or lesser than 69.85, it should be accepted. If more than 70.15, it will be show as rework. Just an entry. Once it's done, for the same formula, you can copy and paste it down. So now you can see one more check we have to do here. So this line and make coloring so we can understand. So now we test now we validate the formula 69.85. It shows accepted, good. Then 70.15 shows accepted, is good. Now 69.84 should show rejected, correct. Because it's below 69.85, it shows rejected. 70.16, now it's showing rework, is good. There is no data enter here, so it was rejected. Even there is no data entered here, what's showing is rejected. Why means, why we apply the condition, if below 69.85, it should show as rejected, so only is showing as rejected. So 0 also is coming below 69.85, so you have to slightly modify the formula. When there is no data in E4, it should be empty in the F4. So how we can make, what I'm doing is opening the formula. In before the formula, again I'm entering equal symbol, again I'm entering equal. The text in the D is disturbing, confusing, so just time being deleting this, opening the formula by clicking double click on the F4. Just again I'm typing equal, if, opening a bracket, I'm making E4 because I'm making the reference with respect to the E4. So again I'm making a equal. Now I'm making double quote, comma, double quote, comma. That's it. So that means what? If double quote means empty data. If empty data means nothing will be visible. This is the formula. You can use it for any if formula. This will help you to show the data empty until otherwise you enter the data in respective cell. Now here close the another bracket. That's it. Here we open three brackets, so closing also three bracket. Enter now. Here already first we enter the equal symbol. So again one more if equal is not required. I'm deleting this equal. Now this method you can use it for any if formulas, for any of your formula, not only if formula, for any Excel formula. So this will help you only to show the data in the required cell. Until then you enter the value in reference cell. So now entry. So see now there is no value in E4. The addition is not appearing in the F4. So now just I'm entering the value. You can see 70.15. It was accepted. Now again I'm checking 70.2 reject rework, 69.85, 69.84 rejected. So good. So we'll make 70 point. So now with the values again I'm entering um, um, this should become degree. So now the same once now we made the value. Now made the if formula. Now the same you can copy and paste for other cells also. I'm selecting just on Control C on the formula, then Control V. I'm selected. So now I'm going to the F5. I'm clicking here. Just I'm updating the values. I'm changing the values here. What I'm doing here, 15 plus or minus 0.1, 14.9. So if you below 14.9, it should show as a rejected. So the maximum value I'm entering here. Only you enter the minimum value and maximum value. That's it. Now I'm validating the values here. Click 15, it shows accepted. 14.85 rejected. Yes. 15.15 good. So correct. For next column, again for E6 we'll do the same. Here the minimum value is 49.9, maximum value is 50. Selecting only the value. That's it. Now validate the value. 3.1 rework 50. 49.5 is rejected. Say 49.95 accepted. So 49.89 also it shows rejected. Okay, 49.95. E7 minimum value is 44, maximum value 46. That's it. Just validate. 45 accepted. 43.9 rejected. But 46.1 rework. Similarly for F8 running the minimum value here, minimum value 14.98, maximum value here you have to see that this is the diameter, so this under length is okay, and here you have to see the conditions here as per the parameters. Here if it's more than 15.02 only, it's rejected because it become oversize. So here slightly I'm changing. You can see here 14.98. Here I'm changing. Instead of rejected, I'm making rework. Here maximum is 15.02. So what it means, 14.98 to 15.02 is accepted. So more than 15.02 is a rejected. Entry rejected. I will validate 15 accepted. 14.97 rework 15.03. So like that, as per the character of the parameter, the accepted, rework, rejected, you can change it. Now this is the test report. For the financial report, you can make it true or false, or yes or no. So like this, you can use it as per that, as per the nature of work. Now this maximum minimum, I'm deleting. The if formula, you can use it for the taking the decisions. Now you can see the 70.14. It will report itself. You will come to know this is accepted, accepted. So this is rejected. So then will the particular so and so component is rejected like that. So this will make your routine work as a easy, and addition also will make it perfect. If you find this lesson useful, please like this video, subscribe to VSDL Excel Pro, and comment below if you want more beginner friendly Excel tutorials. Your support directly motivates us to create more practical and real-time Excel training content. Thank you for watching VSDL Excel Pro. In the next lesson, we will continue building on these skills and explore more real-time Excel applications that you can use in your daily work. I will see you in the next Excel lesson. Until then, keep practicing, keep learning, and use Excel smartly.